There are two things now. One, I'm going to discuss with you a few questions from coordinate geometry, which were left. Secondly, I will upload till evening the few case studies from the chapters which are coming in your term one. So you have two offs, Saturday and Sunday. So try to get those things. Now the next question is, the distance of the question number one of coordinate geometry. Still it is going. So question number first of today, the distance of the point 47 from x-axis. This is the point E and point B is lying on x-axis. So what should be the coordinate of the point which is on the x-axis? Mohit. Coordinate of the point which is on the x-axis. Mohit.
Sir, 4.
I'm asking you, what should be the coordinate of the point which should be on the x-axis?
Sir, it should be x and 0.
X and 0, because this point
0.
lies on x
X-axis.
axis.
Yes.
Yeah, so the coordinates are these.
X and 0.
X and 0. Clear. So second coordinate is 0. Directly when you will compare with x, so answer is 4. Now the next is next question number 2 is saying point x4 is on circle whose center is origin. And radius is 5. Find x. Now, the situation is like this. This is a circle with me. The center is origin. So this is 0 and 0. This is the point E on the circumference. This is x4. And this radius is 5. So OA, this is 5. So that means x minus 0 square plus 4 minus 0 square under root is equal to 5. I have applied the distance formula. So x square plus 16 is equal to 25 plus minus 3. So which implies point A can be 3, 4 or minus 3, 4. So important. Question number 3. Find relation between x and y. Find the relation between x and y if point P equidistant from A y1 and B minus 1, 5. Quickly, variation.
Sir, point A is 5, 1.
हाँ जी,
Or do we have to use the
I1
distance formula or the section formula?
ये आपकी इच्छा, आपको तो हमें रिलेशन बताइए आप बस। पर अमृत, you will give the answer. You're taking too much time.
Sir, solving.
Gulpreet Kaur, Janvi Sadev,
Doing so.
Anji, what is the answer? Vatsal, situation is very bad. The distance PA is equal to PB.
3x.
Because P is equidistant from A and B, so therefore it is x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square must be is equal to x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. So open it, x square 25 10x, y square plus 1 minus 2y, x square plus 1 plus 2x, so this is all about. So my x square and y square, they are cancelled. So this is 25 plus 1, 26 minus 10x minus 2y equal to 1 plus 21, 26 plus 2x minus 10y. 26 goes with 26. So this is minus 12x is equal to minus 8y. So 3x is equal to 2y. This is the relation between x and y when point P is equidistant from A and B. Next is if points, yesterday also I have discussed this question, this type of question. If the points A, let it be A, this is 5P, P, C, 2, 1, and D, 6, 2. Form a square ABCD. Find P. I hope the digits are clear. This is 5P, 1, 5, C is 2, 1, 2, 1, and D is 6, 2. Find the value of P. ABCD is a square. This is the point C. Hurry up, hurry up. Anybody? Those who are listening,
Yes, sir.
I want a value of P.
So
The vertex of A, B, C, D are given. Yesterday we did this question in the form of parallelogram.
Yes, sir, we did it using midpoint theorem.
फिर करके दिखाओ ना.
so 6.
if this is a square with us, इस तरह से बेटा अगर आपके पेपर हो गए ना तो पास होना मुश्किल है आपके लिए, too difficult to get pass. ABCD is a square. The coordinates of A, this is 5P. The coordinate of B, this is 1, 5. The coordinates of C, this is 2, 1. And the coordinate of D, this is 6, 2. We know that diagonals of a square bisect each other. So let P be the point where the diagonal bisects. So coordinates of P along AC. Coordinates of P along AC. 5 plus 2 upon 2, P plus 1 upon 2. Coordinates of P along BD. So 1 plus 6 over 2, 5 plus 2 over 2. Now, because P is the same point, therefore, x coordinate must be is equal to x coordinate and y coordinate must be is equal to y coordinate, which implies P plus 1 over 2 must be is equal to 5 plus 2 over 2. It goes P plus 1 is equal to 7 and P is equal to 6, which implies coordinates of point A coordinate of the point A are 5, 6 because the value of P is 6 and the coordinates are here of A are 5 and P. So it will be 5, 6.
So got the same answer.
Next question. Find the coordinate of the fourth vertex of rectangle, same as that of the parallelogram. Where the three R's 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 3. You have to find out the coordinates of the fourth vertex. So just draw it first. Draw it. You will get an idea, exact idea how the figures will be formed. With the help of a pencil and a pen.
So for C, you have written what if 0, 3.
Yes, for C it is 0, 3. For B it is 2, 0.
Sir, is the fourth vertex 3, 4? Excuse me, sir.
Let's see after solving. Okay. See, this is my coordinate axis. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. 1, 2, 3. So for one point is A. This is the point A. Second is 2, 0. So this is the second point. Let it this point be B. The third point is 0, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is the third point. A, B. I want a rectangle. Let the third point be C. Now I want to get the coordinates of the fourth vertex. So maybe the coordinates can be here if this is a rectangle. So x is 2 and y is 3. So maybe it is 2 and 3. Perfect. This is the only part. So let this be C and let this be D. So sometimes you have to draw the figures and you have to find out the values.
So the vertex for D is 2, 3.
Yes, the vertex for C is 2, 3. Let this point be D. ये points मैंने अपनी तरफ से लिए होंगे. He has not given me the point. So this point is D. अब थोड़ा सा notice करिए. In the question, if he has given you points are in order, then you have to take the points in order. That means you have to take it A, B, C, D. If the points are not given in order, then the question can be solved by plotting it on the graph paper. Clear? If order is missing, then with graph you have to find out the answer.
Okay, sir.
We have to find answer. If the order is given, then you can apply that diagonals intersect each other at a particular point. फिर हम कर सकते हैं. But if the order is not given, then you have to plot the things. Okay. Next is question is the ratio in which the segment joining Px1 y1 and Qx2 y2 there was some technical problem. Let's see it again. Question is saying the point P is x1, y1. There is another point Q, x2, y2. These 2 points are divided by x-axis. This is x-axis. I have to find out the ratio. Find the ratio. Let the point be R. This point. तो मैं क्या करूँगा? Let point R divide PQ in the ratio M is to N. Start the question. So this is M and this is N. Apply the section formula. This is x-axis. So if the point lies on x-axis, the coordinates are x, comma 0. Please tell the ratio quickly. Ajay, answer from any student? No. That means the preparation is very poor. Although I have discussed this type of question yesterday. Because this point lies on x-axis, my y coordinate is 0. I will concentrate on y. So my y coordinate is 0, which is equal to m is to y2, n is to y1 on m plus n cross multiply. 0 is equal to m y2 n y1 minus m y2 is equal to n y1, which implies m over n is equal to y1 upon y2, which implies the ratio is y1 is to y2. This is the given ratio. This is the required ratio. Next question. This point is P. Let it be A1, B1. Point Q, A2, B2. This is y-axis. You have to find out the ratio by which it divides PQ. Let this point R. So you have to find out PR ratio RQ. This is the question. Hurry up. Any point which is on the y-axis must have its x coordinate 0. So this is 0, comma x, 0, comma y. Because the point lies on y-axis, which implies its coordinates are 0, y. Quickly. So because 0 is x coordinate is 0, so I will concentrate on x. 0 is equal to, if the ratio is m is to n, then m is to coordinate of x, a2, plus n is to coordinate of x, a1, upon cross multiply, which implies m over n, which implies m ratio n is equal to a1 ratio a2. This is the required ratio. So which implies PR is to RQ, which is A1 is to A2. Switch on the cameras, everyone. Let me see what people are doing. How many are present here? Quickly switch on the cameras. Arshdeep Kaur, Chinmay, Dilpreet. Quickly, all the students switch on the cameras. Let me see how many are there. Dilpreet, Harshita, Kunar.
Yes, sir.
Switch on the cameras. Vatsal. Arshdeep Kaur has not switched on. Dilpreet Kaur has not switched on. Panark has not switched on. Panark is removed from. I'm going to remove him. Remove. Okay. Now, Vatsal has not switched on. Arshdeep has not switched on. Arshdeep is not getting, so I'm going to remove it. Chali, come to the next question. So today is the last day for this coordinate method. Now, I have two very simple question on the section formula. Let the line be AB. A is 1, 3, and B is 4, 6. This is C. It divide in the ratio 2 is to C. Find the coordinates of C. Hurry up.
So we have to find out C.
बेटा लिखा तो वही देखिए, ये आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा. Find the coordinate of C. Ratio is given. Point A and B is also given. You have to apply section formula. Quickly. Let coordinates of C be x comma y, which implies x is equal to 2 multiplied by the value of x, 1 multiplied by the value of x, 2 plus 1. Which implies x is equal to 3. Now, coordinates of y, 2 multiplied by 6, 1 multiplied by 3, 2 plus 1. y is equal to 5. So which implies coordinate of CR 3, 5.
Done, sir.
Yeah, I'm going to write the question, do it at home. Find coordinate of point which is on x-axis which is equidistant from points -1, 0 and 5, 0. Find the coordinate of the point which is on the x-axis, which is equidistant from the point -1, 0 and 5, 0.
Written, sir.
So just solve it, fine. So that's all for today. So on Monday we'll see it for the next chapter. But what I feel, I'm watching the preparation is very low, very poor. If I see the paper of that sample papers are tough. It will be difficult for you. The way you are preparing, you're not serious. What I am doing. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.